This might be one of the best vlogging lenses ever. Right now, I'm recording with the Fujifilm 18 to 55mm lens and it suddenly got really windy. One sec. As I was saying, this is day 2, by the way, of me trying to record this video because I had to stop recording the other day. It got really cold really quickly and snow and everything made it worse. I'm recording with the 18 to 55mm Fujifilm lens and it is an amazing lens, but sometimes you do need something wider, something that actually performs better in low light, and that is where this comes in, the Viltrox F1.4 prime lens, and trust me, this might be just the best vlogging lens we all been looking for. So not long ago, there were not a lot of companies who made third-party lenses for Fujifilm, and even if they did, the lenses would not have any autofocus in them. So you are stuck with using manual focus, and that's not the best when it comes to vlogging. But this Viltrox lens, this does have autofocus, and let's switch on the Viltrox lens. Let's see how well this performs, especially the autofocus. This is the first look with the Viltrox F1.4 Fujifilm lens. This looks amazing. I love how wide this lens is. But let's get on to the main test. Let's see how the autofocus system works with this lens. I absolutely love how shallow the background looks right now. Honestly, I think the autofocus will be just as good. I'll keep moving further back and off the frame. You guys actually would be able to tell much better how the autofocus system is working because I have no idea right now. I think it's doing pretty good given that the fact that the background's a little bit busy with all the leaves and the branches, but it's apparently looking really good. So for now, I have kept the aperture at f1.8 and it still looks, there's enough background separation between the subject and the background. I'm happy with it. And if I open it any further than what it is right now, probably would look much better as well. It's all the way up to f1.4 and I've kept the ISO at 640 and the shutter speed at 50 because I'm shooting at 24 frames per second. With such a fast lens, I'm pretty sure even on low light, if you're vlogging during low light, it would still look amazing. Just a quick suggestion though, if you are shooting wide open with this lens, you will probably need an ND filter, especially if it's a bright day like this. If you don't have an ND filter on, it's going to be way overexposed and it will not be possible to fix it in post-production. I'll show you guys what I mean. If I take the ND filter off right now, quite a bit of screwed in actually. This is how bright it is right now. Let's talk about how well built the lens is for just under $600 on Amazon. That's a big thumbs up in my book actually. The construction on this thing is really well built and it's fully metal. The satisfaction of turning this aperture ring is like nothing else. Let's check out some photos that I actually took with this lens today. See how this lens performs while taking photos as well. The photos actually look pretty good for a day which is not very cinematic or not very good to look at. For the time of the year right now, I actually could get some really good photos out of this lens. I should mention to you guys, if you are vlogging handheld, this lens does not have any inbuilt stabilization or image stabilization to help you not get any jerks or vibrations. What it does have is an STM motor which helps in reducing vibrations, shakes while you're vlogging outside anyway. This video is absolutely not sponsored by Viltrox and Viltrox did not pay me anything or even send me this lens to review. I just wanted to find a really good vlogging lens that would actually perform well in most situations, and that is wide enough actually, because it actually looks so much better when the angle you're shooting at is wide and so that you can show your surrounding to your audience. That actually helps a lot. Viltrox does make this lens for other companies as well. I'm using the one for Fujifilm. I have seen them sell this lens for Nikon and I think Sony as well. So that's it for me today, guys. I really hope you guys found this video useful. If you have any more questions regarding this lens, do leave them in the comment section and I will try to answer them as best as possible. Before I forget, don't forget to like the video, hit the notification bell icon and subscribe to my channel. That will help me out so much and I really appreciate you guys. Do take care of yourselves and I'll see you guys in the next one.